AI's impact on jobs. Will your dream job be taken over by a robot? Alright folks, let's talk about the future of work. No, it's not just robots taking over your favorite fast food joints or replacing your Uber driver. Well, actually, it is. AI is changing everything, and guess what? Your job might be next. And before you say, "Not me, I'm too smart for that," well, Robert Kiyosaki just said that the smartest Americans might be hit the hardest. So, what's the deal with that? Let's break it down. Okay, let's get real. AI is already creeping into pretty much every industry. Yes, even your TikTok job might not be safe one day. Whether it's driving, banking, or even creative jobs, yes, writers, I'm talking to you. AI is making its move. In fact, it's already doing jobs that once required human brains, like customer service, data entry, and even making music. I'm looking at you, AI-generated beats. Sure, robots can do a lot of stuff, but there's still let's say, learning. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Robert Kiyosaki, the guy who wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad, says that even the smartest folks, yeah, the ones who worked hard, got their degrees, and followed all the proper steps, could be left behind. AI doesn't care if you aced all your exams. It doesn't care if you spent 10 years building your career. If your job is predictable and can be automated, it's just a matter of time. Here's the kicker. AI is designed to be efficient. So, the smarter you are, meaning the more trained you are in doing a specific job, you're kind of setting yourself up to be replaced by a super efficient robot who doesn't need sleep, doesn't need a lunch break, and doesn't complain about their salary. To upper management, that sounds nice. Let's break it down. You think you're good at your job, but AI does it better. Don't panic just yet, you've got to be adaptable. It's not enough to be smart anymore. You need to be versatile. Kiyosaki's advice? Focus on entrepreneurship, get out of the 9-to-5 mindset, and learn to make your money work for you. Start investing in real estate, diversify your income, and maybe, just maybe, get into something that AI can't replace. Like, meme lord? Okay, maybe not that, but you get the idea. Or maybe you don't. Don't worry though, I'm not leaving you hanging. If you want to survive the AI apocalypse, here are a few tips. Learn skills AI can't do. Creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are still very human skills. Embrace them. Think entrepreneurially. Start thinking about side hustles or investments. Yes, real estate and crypto. Don't roll your eyes, they're real. Master AI tools. Learn how to work with AI. I'm not saying become an AI expert, but understanding how AI can enhance your work will make you more valuable. Adapt. Stay flexible. If your current job feels threatened by AI, ask yourself, how can I evolve this role? Or is it time to pivot entirely? All right, we've talked about how AI is coming for your job, but guess what? We have creativity, empathy, and a whole lot of hustle. Will AI replace us? Maybe some of us, but it's on us to stay ahead of the game. So, what's your next move? Are you going to let a robot take your job, or will you use AI to level up? Let me know in the comments.